Hi all, welcome to my channel again. So in this session we are going to discuss about the Ansible playbooks part 2. In the previous session I have already explained the part 1. So please go and watch that video before starting this one. And I have mentioned everything in this blog. And if you want to go through this blog, you can check this link from the description box. And let's start now. So the task 2, which will explain you about the Ansible playbooks. So in task 1, we have created a user using the Ansible playbook, and also we have installed a Docker using the Ansible playbook. So please go and watch the part 1, and this is explaining Ansible playbook and how it works. Write a blog about writing Ansible playbooks with best practices. An Ansible playbook is a configuration management tool that allows you to automate IT infrastructure tasks. For example, if you want to do some task on the multiple servers, let's say you have 50 servers, then you can just simply write an Ansible playbook to run that task on those all of the 50 servers. So this is simpler. This will make your job simple. Instead of going and executing all of the commands on all of the servers, you can just simply write a playbook and run that playbook so that you can do that task on the multiple servers. The structure of the Ansible playbook consists of several actions. So first is the host. So this section defines the target host that the playbook will run on. This can be a single host or a group of hosts. You can specify host by name, IP address, or through dynamic inventory also. Next is variable. This section defines the variables that will be used in the playbooks. Variables be defined at different levels of scope, such as at the playbook level, the host level, or the task level. So we can define at any level. And next, the task. This section defines the task that will be executed on the target host. A task is a single action that Ansible will perform, such as installing a package, copying a file, running a command. Each task can have one or more actions that are performed in order. Next is the handlers. Handlers are similar to tasks, but they are only executed when notified by a task. They are typically used for actions that require a restart or reload of service. Roles. Roles are a way to organize your playbook into logical units. A role is a collection of tasks, variables, files, and templates. So that can be reused across multiple playbooks. So in this example, name field is a description of the playbook, and host field specify the playbook will run on a host named web server. They become and the field indicates that Ansible will run the task as a super user. So if it is false, then it will not run it as a super user. Task section defines that the task will be executed on the target host. If you see here, will be executed on the target host. And the task install the Apache 2 package, copy the index.html file to the web server root directory, and start the Apache 2 service. Overall, Ansible playbooks are a powerful way to automate infrastructure management tasks, and they can help reduce errors, increase efficiency, and streamline workflows. The output will be like this. So you can see. So installing Apache web servers. This is the description. Then the task is install Apache 2 package, then copying index file, then starting the Apache services. The output shows that the playbook runs successfully on the target host web server. You can see web server. and that three tasks were changed, that is executed successfully. The output also includes a summary of the result. As you can see, though the output also includes a summary of the results of each task as well as a play recap at the end. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. So if you want to check out this blog, you can check that from this link which I will be keeping in the description box. Thanks for watching until the end.